Annyeong everyone, this is Ju from SoJooCars and this is the new Santa Fe. This is the 4x2 gasoline variant and the key looks like this. Ta-da, Hyundai. Oh yeah, and this one, I'm not sure what this is. But it's a cool tag, right? But it looks like it's going to, not sure. This is the brand new Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the 4x2 variant. Yeah, the color is actually very white, but because of the roofing, it's like turning greenish. But it's just beautiful, guys. Okay, this is the front look, and this is the key. This is available here in Pit Stop Motors. When you open it, yon, that looks really cool, right? You will make a statement every time you actually turn on and open and unlock your door. There's a front camera, sensor here, and there's like 6 sensors here for the front and also at the back because this has park assist. Looking great here, at least for the front part. It looks really good. It also looks like Telluride. Yeah. Air curtains. The wheel design, oh, looks good. Especially if it rotates, I think it will look even better there. They come in Pirellis. These are Scorpion MS. Size is 245, 45 or 21. No wonder it looks really good. Glossy black finish. The suspension, black everywhere. Now, there's a camera here, but there's no puddle lamp. There's LED lamp. It's like a two-tone. The pillars are in black. Here, everything is black. They just have tape there. And the top has roof rail and somewhat divided, well, 2-piece sunroofs. Santa Fe, black also. And what's nice is they have light here, just like a BMW. Blind spot warning. This one, it's very quirky because you can actually, right? You can do something here, right? Okay, maybe it's because it wasn't turned on. Okay, I have no idea how to do this, but there's a handle here you can use so you can climb up and get your stuff. But I just don't know how. The gas cap is here. There you go. Rear disc braking system, 21s also. They look very sticky and nice. Also here, like it's like a reflector sensor there. Okay, this is very good. They were able to hide the wiper here under the spoiler, and many Americans would love it. I mean, they hate it if it is just here. Huge Santa Fe, and there's actually a space here. Do you know, like it shows Santa Fe, not Santa Fe. There's a camera and single muffler. It would have looked extra nice if it had double mufflers. And the reverse. And we can open it. Powered? Oh, it's powered. Oh yeah. The nice thing about Pit Stop is they give all the accessories. Like whatever you got in Korea, they will give it to you also. Rear AC, there are lights everywhere. Okay, Korean style, you will need an adapter for that. And you can also fold down the second row. More 12 volt, type C, air vents, reading lights, speaker. And what's down here? Oh, fire extinguisher and other stuff. But there is no spare tire. Well, you're not getting the spare tire, but you're getting this suspension. There's a lot of space down there. I think you should be able to install one, and you can also close it down here. This is a 7-seater, so you can easily, I like, you know, this kind of setup. It's so easy to put it down and put it up, and it serves dual purpose, right? And I like this top. Oh no, oh, this is the one I saw in EV9, but it feels a lot better. Okay, that's good. Good job. And there's also Hyundai design here. Very interesting. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the inside, but I'll show you the lights first. Ooh, what the heck? This is my first time to actually see the actual inside. Okay, there you go. Now we have full lights. Let me show you how it looks like. Oh, looks really good. Look at that. Oh, so that's how it looks like. So if I'm not turning on the hazard, it will be white as well. So it looks H. And at the back, oh, looks cool. You are gonna make a statement. It reminded me of something like a carnival, and then like also then it's not. Oh, that's really cool and interesting. Go inside and let me show you how it is. Oh, look at that. Now it looks expensive. Like I can feel like this one's came from Genesis. Oh, it also has massage chair. Not speaker, but great materials. Reflector, Bose sound system, Santa Fe step seal, reclining mode. It has so much, even leg extension. No wonder this car is really expensive. And it says here calligraphy airbag. And I just want to turn off the aircon because it's so noisy. Yeah, this is the thing. Like if you're not used to this, oh, you can touch it there, right there. Okay, and how do you turn it off? This one. This is the interior, and you can see all this stargazer like cabin lights, including the back. Ventilated and heated, very well bolstered. The headrests are not your typical one. Controls, fuse. There's knee airbag. Wow, the knee airbag is so lit. It's so good. And just for more, I'll just show you the cabin when it's dark. Even there. Okay. Wow. Yeah, the Land Rover, like, let's open the front. Oh, okay. I don't have to do that. This is manual. Let's turn on the light also. And the rear. There. I'm sure the rear one, just the... Okay. Turned off first. Wow, they are like kind of connected. Ooh. Okay, let me start. Very cool vehicle, very clean. I like the interface, it's really clean. Also here, I confirm. And that's the, probably it comes together with that dash cam. Now this one is what you use for biometrics. You can actually turn on your vehicle with your biometrics. Fully loaded ADAS system, automatic lighting, and also rain sensing. And this is how you control your gear selector. You twist it. See that? You twist it. Oh, there's a front camera. Oh, so reverse is like down there. It's no longer like up there. Okay, adjustable and all. And I can see that there is actually guided light, like a hologram light, like a projection. Oh, yun. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, very simple. It's like a digital version of the analog before. But what I want to show you is that this has memory everywhere. So if I press 2, okay, it has memory for everything, including the side mirrors. Auto brake hold, drive modes, their eco, normal, sport, my drive. It must have a feature here where you can actually make the interface adapt. Paddle shifters, lane keep assist. See, all this are fully loaded. There's a big chance that we won't get the fully loaded ADAS for a 4x2 variant here in Manila. I'm not 100% sure, but wow, when you press on the steering wheel, you can feel that it's expensive. Yup, you can feel it. There's airbag. You have all this design and in the entire vehicle. Bose sound system. This one, like, some people don't like it. It's the fuzzy type. This is really good also. Although this one looks cheap, it has good diffusing. It's good to show a very nice skin tone. And this also has very soft material, and it also extends. So if your local one doesn't extend like that, then really sad. Okay. Auto dimming, room mirror. There's microphone, SOS button, because this one is a Korea unit. This one also extends for the passenger. Now, it also has heads-up display. You cannot see it properly, but it's there. Heads-up display. And then what I like is it has UVC. So what UVC means is ultraviolet C sterilization tree. So you turn this on, like you put items here that you use all the time, like cell phone or your like golf glove or anything. It will sterilize. When you turn this on, it will sterilize once it closes like that. So how cool is that? You have your own sterilizing box inside your car. It's a very family oriented car. Then unlike our conventional, you don't pull it, you push it down, which makes sense. Okay, volume. There's a volume dial, easy to press because you have physical keys. Also comes with seat ventilation, 3 levels, also for the driver and the passenger. The passenger is also powered. Look at that wood and stuff. Most probably you can change the color of the ambient lighting. You have 2 phone charging wireless pads, so you can tell actually if it's charging, right? You don't have to like look at it on your phone anymore. You can see it there. There's only a 12 volt here. There's only a 12 volt here, and the rest is a tray. There's a rubber matting so things will not fly around. Look how well it was made. Like it does look yeah, Land Rover-ish, but it's like more rugged. Cup holder, tray here, really deep, really deep. It's like the subway of Korea. It's so deep. This is not the soft type, but it's in good leather. These ones are also very soft. This one, wow, now you can make it lie down with just one touch. This is something you'll find in Genesis, but you have it here in Santa Fe. Fantastic. Now that's the front row. Now let's check out the second row. Don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe. Oh, it's so nice. It is super nice. Does it have soft close? No? Oh, did you hear that sound? Second row, yeah, VIP. Shade, heated, yeah, it came from Korea. You also have a Santa Fe written also on the second row. Reading lights, panoramic sunroof. You can also open this that way. What? You also have another tray here, I believe. Oh, there. Oh, it's like you know, the one you see in Staria. Wow, all spaces are very well used, and you do have hooks here for your bags or your grocery here. And there's also that Hyundai Santa Fe design. Ambient light. The seats, look how much you can recline your seat. These are calligraphy materials. Okay, and for me to adjust, it's in manual, but wow, I can really have so much space here. Oh my goodness. And this is being shot using Insta360 Ace Pro, by the way. Wow, everything so luxurious, and like Yes, we are interested to see what's here, but there's cup holder and an armrest. So cup holders also here. Oh, the air vents are here. That's why they're able to do that. The air vents are here in this Santa Fe design as well. Now what I want to see here is actually charge port. Usually the charge ports are here. Let's look for it. And there's also something like this where you can actually put your phone. Also grab handle here for people to climb into the third row. The third row is actually very spacious, and there's actually USB Type-C ports there at the back, but not sure why. Oh, there you go. There. 2 Type-C charge ports. And this is how it looks like. Wow. Whew. I think I had enough of my Santa Fe experience and I cannot wait to drive it. So this car is available here in Pit Stop, and what's important is, yes, we do have two sensors. Oh wow, there, turbo engine, smart stream, G, insulation, struts, very good. It's 2.5 liter. Wow, 2.5 liter gasoline engine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe if you enjoyed it. This is available here in Pit Stop Motors. Look for Mr. Rj Mendoza. This was Ju from SoJooCars, and I'll see you in the next video. Merry Dreams come true. Bye.